Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw kitchen set. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Let's make it more prominent. Let's color together. We are using light blue color. To color the kettle, we are using light blue color. This is light blue color. Light blue color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. This is light blue color. Which color is this? Light blue color. Good job. Pink color. This is pink color. We are using pink color. Light blue color. This is light blue color. Red color. To color the pot, we are using red color. Which color we are using? We are using red color. Good job. This is red color. Purple color. This is purple color. Which color is this? This is purple color. Yellow color. This is yellow color. Dark green color. Pink color. This is pink color. Purple color. Red color. Red color. Light green color. Light blue color. Orange color. Yellow color. Pink color. Brown color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.